Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create drop-down list in Excel sheet. So let's begin. I already have a dummy table in Excel sheet where I will add the drop-down list functionality. So I'm selecting B2 field, and in this field I will add the drop-down list, and in separate sheet I have the value of the drop-down list. These values will be added to drop-down list where we can select the desired or related value. So what I'll do, press B2 field and go to data menu, then data selection, then data validation, then data validation again. From the allow selection, from the allow section, click list. From this source area we need to connect the source area. The source is a different tab, so simply click on this icon, and this icon is asking you to select the source area. So by keeping this blinking icon, I'll go to the sheet where the drop down value is stored. I'll select all of them by dragging. You see the location of these values are added to the data validation section. Now press enter. You see this is added to the source area. Press OK. You are automatically got back to the main area. If I click on B2 field, I will see a drop down icon. Click on it. Now you have all the drop down values over here. Now you will select the required value. For example, I am selecting for this person business. So at this time I only have this functionality and formula for this specific field. Now I will apply same formula, same drop down list for all of them from 3 to 10 for all the persons. So simply click on it and drag down. Now you can change their profession from the drop down menu.